Welcome back to Farm and Culture. Today we are in my backyard because I wanted to talk to you guys about making some refreshing summer cocktails with kombucha. It's a total game changer. So the first one that I wanted to share with you is just like a traditional mojito. Any drink that calls for anything sort of citrusy or fizzy, kombucha is the perfect substitute, and then you also get all of the benefits of kombucha, the probiotics, the detoxification benefits of tea, and you get that awesome flavor. So let's get started with the Kombucha Mojito. The ingredients that you need are going to be very similar to a traditional mojito. You need rum, your favorite rum, kombucha, plain. We need lime, mint, and then also some kind of a sweetener. So let's get started with the mint. The first thing you want to do is grab like 6 to 10 leaves of mint. You're always muddling the herbs first. So with your muddler, and I just do this right into a mason jar. You can actually serve it in this mason jar too at the end, and it just kind of makes it cute and easy is the main thing. Okay, and then we want to add in the lime. You can squeeze these, but we're going to muddle it anyway, so you don't have to be super diligent about getting all of the juice out of the lime wedges. So you want to put in probably about half a lime, depending on, you know, how thick you cut the wedges. Put a little bit extra. And then you want to add your sweetener now too. So typically a traditional mojito would call for a simple syrup, which is just water and cane sugar. You can use organic cane sugar if you want to make a slightly healthier version. I'm actually going to be using some cassava syrup. Coconut nectar is a great sweetener, stevia as well. So anything that you find to be your favorite one, monk fruit's a great one too. I'm putting a lot because this is a little bit healthier than simple syrup, and I like it sweet. So go ahead and keep on muddling with the lime and the sweetener. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is add rum. So usually when I add like 1.5 ounces, I'm going to add 2 because I'm using like a sweeter rum, and that's just my preference. Is kind of a bigger glass too, so it should be okay. Whichever rum is your favorite will work. I like the sweeter ones. The coconut rums are definitely my favorite. So just go ahead and add in 2 ounces of that, and then you want to add in about 4 ounces of kombucha. Make sure this is all mixed up. And you can measure out the kombucha if you want, but at this point, you know, it's pretty good to go. So I have some plain kombucha here. If you have like a mint flavored kombucha, that would work great too, or even lime, since we're putting those flavors into the drink already. So we add some kombucha. Then I'm going to top it off with some ice. A little bit more, it's hot today. And there we go. Garnish with lime wedge and a straw. Voila, enjoy. So I hope this gives you some new, fresh ideas for your summer cocktail list. Definitely try it for your next backyard barbecue gathering, or just when you're hanging out with the girls. It's a healthier twist, and people love the fact that you're drinking kombucha cocktails. Nobody says no to a kombucha cocktail. It's the best drink to have around. So as always, make sure you follow me on social media. Send me a message on Instagram if you have any questions. I'd love to hear how your recipes are working out for you. You can always sign up for the newsletter on farmandculture.com. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, then go ahead and leave a comment, and then that way I can hear from you that way as well. Thanks again.